Hello and welcome to Tech Leveler. My name's Lee and today I have another iPhone tutorial. And in this one I'm going to show you how to turn off the iPhone camera sound. So when you take a picture and it makes that loud sound of a camera shutter, I'm going to show you how to turn it off. Now if we head into the iPhone settings, you will not find anything to do with the camera shutter, even in the iPhone camera options or the sound options, which can be a little confusing. So what you want to do is the side volume button, you want to turn this off so your iPhone is in silent mode. Then you will not get that shutter sound. However, that's not always the best option. And the best option is when you bring up the camera, you want to be in live photo. So as you can see here in the top corner, you want to turn live photo on, and then you will not get a camera shutter sound. So that's two options to choose from. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.